just wanna win. Yeah, LABB, who we running with.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're doing a plucking video. This is a 13x6 frontal. It's already been bleached and slightly plucked. It came slightly plucked, but you do want to just pluck it a little bit more to get that natural hairline. So yeah, just pin down the frontal on all sides, at the back as well. Lightly spray with water, and then you can start working in sections. This is how I do it. I find that it's much quicker, and like you can like see what you're working with, you know, because it's very easy to over pluck. So you don't really want to just go in with the plucking. Rather, section off the hair and see exactly where you're working, and then you can start plucking. And also, you don't want to pluck right like directly in front of the hairline, so just part a little bit of hair in the front, section it off like that, and then start plucking behind the hairline. And the more you pluck, you're gonna see like you start seeing that, oh okay, I'm actually doing something here. So you just do the same on the next section. Like I said, like work in sections. So yeah, pluck behind the hairline, and the more you pluck, like as I said, like the more you pluck, you can see, you're actually doing something. Because sometimes you just feel like, oh my god, I've been plucking and plucking, yeah. But you just want to keep plucking until you can see, oh okay, this is looking much better. Hey, sorry to interrupt you while you're watching, but if you're enjoying the video so far, why don't you consider subscribing to our channel? It's free and you're not going to miss out on our future uploads. And another thing, like you want to be careful not to pluck in one section, because you see how I'm doing, like I'm moving side to side, because it's very easy to over pluck. Like if you keep plucking in one section, you're going to end up, like having a bald spot, and that's not cute. So you want to pluck, like move around, like not in one section. And there you have it. It's looking way better than how it was. So you do want to kind of pluck just a little bit, like directly on the front. Reason being is like you don't want that straight line, you know. So you want to create like a zigzag type of hairline. I mean, like nobody has a completely straight hairline. So that's the whole point of plucking. You're trying to mimic a natural hairline. So yeah, you want to just like pluck that out. And again, you don't want to pluck in one section, you know, in one place. You want to move around. But I'm not plucking as much as I did behind the hairline. So this time you just want to do that zigzag thing that I'm talking about. As you can see, like the more I'm plucking, the more it's looking, you know, like a normal hairline. And there you have it, a completely plucked hairline. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, add any comments if you have any. Thank you.